Hello guys, welcome to the 40th session of Blazor tutorials for beginners. In the previous session we have learned how to upgrade existing Blazor app to version 3.0. In this session we will see what some new features are added in preview version 8 and 9. Blazor component's name is now case sensitive, so we need to use same case as specified in Razor file. Namelink component previously supports only href and class attributes. Now it supports any custom attributes. While we are performing date binding, we can specify culture so it follows consistency throughout the UI and backend. IJS runtime now returns value task. Previously we can't set layout in the import file. Now we can specify it in the import file too. Previously we can specify routing from the single assembly, but now it supports multiple assemblies for routing in app.razor file. Next major change in those versions is in Blazor templates. Till now we have created the Blazor app by selecting ASP.NET Core Web App, but now Blazor templates are created individual from ASP.NET Web App, so they are available outside as Blazor app. And like previously said, we still have three options for selecting server, hosted and client-side app. One issue we may face here is that Microsoft doesn't use same naming convention here anymore. And last two have same title as well as description. I have verified it. Last template is for the client environment. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Have a nice day.